Hi, welcome to the Carve Tools channel. The content of this video has nothing to do with carving, but I want to show you how to replace a light switch. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, I would suggest hiring an electrician. It never really occurred to me until recently that not everyone knows how to replace a light switch. Now that's not a bad thing, because that keeps electricians employed. Let me show you how I replaced a defective light switch that is in my home. Here I have a single light switch that the lights will start flickering when it's turned on. Let's look at the tools I used to do this job. Here's a voltmeter to check for voltage. We do not want to work on a live circuit and possibly get electrocuted. A screwdriver. This one has a Phillips and a straight bit. Here are wire strippers, needle nose pliers, and here's our new switch. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to remove the switch cover. Normally I would have already turned off the circuit breaker, but I'm going to leave it on for now to show you how to check for voltage with a meter. This is the switch we're going to replace. I attach my meter leads to the wires on the switch, and it reads 121 volts on my meter. To work on this circuit safely, I will go to my main circuit breaker panel and turn this breaker off for this circuit. Now, to verify that I did turn the correct circuit breaker off, I'm going to check with my meter again, and here we have no voltage. Next step is to remove the switch from the electrical box. Here it appears that there are 3 wires, but the bottom wire is really one wire that is looped on the bottom screw terminal. The other wire is connected to the quick connector on top, and I will simply cut this one. Here is the defective switch, and it only has 2 connections. Here I used the wire strippers and removed the insulation about 3/8 of an inch. Here I take the new switch and use the needle nose pliers to insert the wire that was stripped. I'll place it into the quick connector. Now I take the wire with a loop and connect it to the screw terminal. And I will tighten it with a screwdriver. Now I mount the switch back into the electrical box and tighten the screws. Next, mount the switch plate cover. Flip the switch. And nothing. Got to go back to the circuit breaker panel. Flip the breaker back on. There we go. That's better. Job done. Thanks for stopping by. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, I would suggest hiring an electrician. As shown, you can easily and safely change a single pole light switch. It's really not a big deal. Thanks again. Have a great day.